every looks block and scratch. Let's begin. First we have say hello for 2 seconds. So we have what the cat is gonna say, and we have how many seconds it will say it. When you click the block, you see that it will say what you wanted it to say for the seconds how long you want. Then we have the say block, and it will just say what you want until it is changed, or the program is stopped. So if I drag another block in, it will change it. Now we have the same, but instead of having this little arrow of some sort for the bubble, it has little circles. Now we have the switch costume 2, costume 1 and costume 2. It will just change the costumes to what you have. So you have just some options. Okay, now next block. This one is next costume. It will just choose the next costumes in the list. So here I can make the sprites run. Then we have the same but for the backdrop. Then we have the change size by. This will just change the size by the number that you want. So it will make it bigger if you have a number bigger than 0. And it will go tinier if it's a number less than 0. Next we have the set size tool, and it will set the size to what you put. Now next one is change color effect by. This one gives an effect to your sprites. I let you go through every one of them. Now we have the same block, but in set it will just set the effect. Now we have clear effect. It will just set the value of the effect to 0. Next up we have hide and show. These two are going to set the visibility of your sprite. Now we have go to front layer. You can set the layer of your sprite. So if I duplicate it, you can see that I can change its layer. I hope you enjoyed this time lapse. Now let's delete the clones. So now we just have the variables. The two first ones are the costume and the backdrop. Then we have the size variable, and this one is the size of your sprite. Like and subscribe!